Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tips. So, in this video today we will be creating an app called Sum of the Number Entered. So, let me show you what will happen in this game. So, I hope my screen is visible. Alright, yeah. So, this is the game. Let me just open a calculator also to show the proof that it works. Okay, so now what will it do is that see, I click on start, then it will ask me to put a number. If I do 5, then click on OK. So the sum of the numbers starting 1 to your number is 5. So let's test it. So first will be 1 plus 2, the answer plus 3, the answer plus 4, the answer plus 5. So what is the answer? And here also it's showing 15. Hello Shubhangini and hello Cool Chill Killers. Okay. So let's start making it. Open a new tab, open Google and search for code.org. So click on the very first link. Learn today, build a brighter future. Or you can just open a new tab and write code.org. Okay, after that, sign in with any account you have. Hello, Shivani. Thank you so much. Okay, so just a second. Yeah. After that, what you need to do is click on create and then app lab. Choose app lab. Okay. So first, let's start with the renaming it. Okay. Now let's design our app. So in the first screen, I just want it to be a welcome screen. Okay. So for that, let's choose a theme. So you can choose any. I chose playtime. Okay, just a second. Yeah. You can search for playtime and you can use any other theme if you want. Then after that, what I'm going to do is add a label over here. Okay, and write in that label, welcome to sum of the number entered. You can rename this game to anything you want. Okay, it is not necessary. You need to name whatever I name. Okay, so after this is pretty small, so I'm going to change the size, and after that, sorry for that. So I hope you all did what I was showing. Alright. So what I did was I made this bigger and changed the font size to a bigger. bigger, and I added a start button, and to make it more look more good I added a play button, this kind of play button. Then let's add a new screen. Okay, one second refreshed. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to go into the new screen. Create a new screen first. You can choose any theme, even you can choose this playtime still for it. I'm going to use this one right now. Okay, so then after that, I'm going to add a text label where we are going to show the result. Okay, so I'm going to make it bigger. Of course, we are going to change the font size after this. Yeah, so let's make it like this much. Okay, if you want, you can cover the whole screen. Okay, and for me, it 48 is good. It can be something else for you, but for me, 48 is good. So, and going to design and make sure that there is no text, okay, because we are going to code for that. Okay, so now let's get started with the code. So, on event, when I click the start button, which is over here, and ID is button 1, so let's select it. Okay. When button 1 is clicked, set first what we want to do is set screen to the second screen. Okay, okay, yeah. Then over here do it screen 2, and then go into variables, and then you will find this block var x equals to prompt enter a value. So basically what this block will do is it will ask the user whatever we write here. So you can make it enter a value only. I guess that is a fine. Or I can write enter a number. Okay, anything you want. After that, then there is a variable that we need to define, and it should be called the sum. Okay, the sum. So we are going to rename it sum is equal to 0. Okay, then what we are going to use is the for loop. Okay, in the for loop we are going to do I is equal to 1, and if I is, see, I'm going to get the block, this one, x and I. Okay, then I plus plus. Then what we are going to do is var, I mean just this, sum is equal to sum plus 1. Okay, it would be a little bit of different, okay, I know, but just learn this. Okay, if you couldn't understand it, rewind the video and see it again and you will understand. This concept is really easy. Okay, once you learn this, you will learn to make many cool games with this concept. Then after that, go into UI controls and put um, set text. Okay, then put set text label 2. Okay, label 2, and then this text. Okay, then get a, go into math and get a plus, and the first put sum, and this sum of a number starting to 1 is okay, and make sure that you put a space after is, because there will be the number. Okay, and over here, no need to write with quotes because we have defined a variable over here, sum, right? So no need to write with quotes, and this is the variable. So now let's test our app and see if it's working. So 1, start, enter a number. So I put 5, then click on OK. Okay. So it is not showing the correct, right? It should be 15. Okay, let me refresh it. Yeah, now I'm going to test. Okay, no. Now I'm going to just I've coded this. Let me do there. Okay, yeah. So this is the correct code. I don't know what is the difference. Let me show. Okay, as you can see, the it is same. Okay, I don't know. It was maybe a glitch. I'm not sure, but I think you know now. Okay, this is the code. Okay, this code is pretty simple. Okay, and this app is pretty amazing for the short code, right? So make sure to submit your project and enhance it more. See, when we are pressing the button, then it's starting. But you can only do it in that. Okay, you can only do it in like see. When I run and click the start button, then it shows. But you can also do it with the same image. Alright, and make sure to join our Discord server because there we are really active and you will get we notify everyone. Okay, we share assignments, pictures, and many more. Okay, so I'm giving the link in the description and in the live chat right now. Okay, so make sure to join. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed the session.